like some of you guys, I caught a W on the Nike sneakers app when they shock dropped the Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays. Now it's been well over a week since they dropped, and you know, starting to get a little bit worried because it took a little bit longer for my pair to get here than expected. And I was seeing some of you guys out there on social media talk about how your orders were canceled by Nike, and then other people who actually got their orders a little bit sooner than I did were complaining about some quality control issues with these early pairs. So in today's video, we're gonna unbox these sneakers together. We're gonna take a look at them, seeing if I have any quality control issues, and then obviously just take a really nice up close look at the Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray. But before we get into the Jordan 11 Cool Gray unboxing, I actually have like a bonus unboxing for you guys. But I have to give a special shout out to the homie Raffy over at Raffy Collects. He actually hooked me up with these for retail. Now this was a sneaker that I've been planning on doubling up on for a while. Some of you guys may like this sneaker, some of you guys may not, but to me this was like a must cop, definite double up worthy in my opinion. So me and Raffy both wear size 8, so you know what I mean, it was easy to cop off of him. He just recently hit 20,000 subscribers. If you're not familiar with Raffy, he does a lot of live cops, and to be honest with you, he's like my go-to for live cops. Like if I'm at work and I can't follow along for a release or something, you know, I just go right to his channel and I listen along. So, you know what I mean, definitely go subscribe to him, check out his content if you're not familiar with him. Yo, the homie Raffy actually hooked it up with some Rejuvenator, man. I wasn't expecting that. I got a 3-ounce advanced solution, all-purpose brush, and microfiber towel. Shout out to Raffy Collects, man. Thank you, bro. I wasn't expecting anything like that. I really appreciate it. Now let's get into the sneakers now. As soon as you guys see the box, you're gonna know what it is, and that's alright with me. But this is the Air Jordan 1 High OG Pollens. One of my favorite sneakers that come out in 2021. Man, it gave me a Supreme sticker too. Thanks, Raffy. And, you know, some of you guys like this sneaker, some of you guys don't. I know some of you guys are going to say it's a brick, but to me, this is double up worthy. You know, I am from Pittsburgh. I'm a little bit biased, but we really don't see many black and yellow Jordan 1s, and I guarantee you in the future, this sneaker is going to do numbers. So do not sleep on it. This is probably going to be a $350 sneaker someday. So, you know what I mean. Right now, they're cheap out there, so if you haven't already picked yourself up a pair, definitely probably look into doing so. Now for the moment we all been waiting for, the Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays that just shock dropped. Release date on these is going to be December 11th, the official release date for $225. I was happy that I was able to secure my pair early. Not just because it's one of my favorite sneakers, you know, the 11 silhouette is just one of my favorites, you know, a lot of people's too. But, you know, I don't gotta worry about it, you know, I don't gotta fight everybody else to get it on the release day or nothing like that, so. And here we go, guys. No Just Steal It tape on these boxes. And here's the box. We do have the two-tone gray. And the official size tag on this sneaker reads Air Jordan 11 Retro, medium gray, multicolor, multi. This is a personal pair, size 8. And the retail price tag for the sneaker is $225. And here's a shot of the size tag for you guys. Now I've seen quite a few people out there talking about how their pairs were messed up. You know, the quality just really isn't good, you know what I mean? Some people even returned them and stuff like that because they were so bad from what I've heard. So we're gonna look and see what mine looks like. So let's pop this lid off. And there's no special stickers or anything in the lid. You do have this black tissue paper. And let's take our first up close look at the Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray. Bam! So I'm looking over for quality control issues. See a little bit of glue stain right there. Not that big of a deal. Probably could wipe that off even. My pair looks pretty good. The right shoe at least. Alright, and the left sneaker looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Yeah, my pair really isn't bad at all. I've seen some people too, like here in the back, like it was like crushed in, like somebody like crushed their foot in it and stuff like that. It was like really bad. I saw some other pictures where this whole part right here was separated from the patent leather. It was really bad. But mine are clean. Mine are good, man. Let me know down in the comments section how you guys feel about the Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray. Is this a must cop for you this holiday season? Did you hit on the shock drop? You know what I mean? Let me know down in the comment section below. But take a look at these Jordan 11 Cool Grays right here. These are clean. Very, very nice sneaker. The Jordan 11 is just, you know, just such an iconic sneaker, and we really don't get many of them anymore. We basically only get one over the holiday season every single year. Now, they release lows and stuff like that in the summertime, but, you know, to get like an OG retro, you know, we really don't see it except for like once a year now, so, you know what I mean? This is always like a must-cop sneaker every single holiday season, and I'm glad I got the Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays early. Now, also, I know some people are complaining about the shoe tree, because like now we're just getting like these regular, you know, shoe trees in them now, and we used to get like the plastic ones, but honestly, I don't even care about that, you know what I mean? Like, I normally just rock the stock shoe trees that whatever they come with anyways, or, you know, sometimes I'll buy shoe trees and, you know, put them in my sneakers and stuff like that, but, you know, like, these little cheap ones, like, yeah, I know we're paying more for the sneakers, so, you know, we should get more, but, like, honestly, I don't even care about this, especially, you know, when it comes to an Air Jordan 11, you know what I mean? Like, they're always really, really hard to get. You know, except for the holiday time, because they mass produce these. You know, everybody and their mama is getting an Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray this Christmas. Everyone is probably going to be able to cop this sneaker. So, you know, if you want to pick it up and you know, missed out on a shock drop or any exclusive access or something like that, which, by the way, my girl got exclusive access today, and she was like, should I buy these? I got exclusive access, and I was like, yes, you should. Buy them right now. So, you know, she's not like the biggest sneakerhead or anything like that, but she had never gotten exclusive access before. And when you get exclusive access, you know, you pretty much have to buy the sneaker even if you don't want it. And I'm not saying she didn't want it, but you know what I mean? Like, if they, you know, they just don't give you exclusive access very often, so you gotta take advantage of it. So, you know, we've already seen these drop twice. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if they do exclusive access, you know, 1 or 2 more times before December 11th when they drop. So, you know, guys, like, these are going to be available. You know, one way or another, you're going to have the greatest chance to be able to cop this sneaker right here for the holiday season. But I really want to know what you guys think about the Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray 2021. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Is this dope? Or is this trash? Comment down below and let me know what you think. I'd like to thank you all for your time and stopping over here and rocking out with your boy for another video. I really, really appreciate all the support. If you're new over here and you haven't yet already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and you hit that notification bell. And until next time, peace.